We have about 195 independent countries in the world.
It's the Muslim Israel Summit Series, a conversation meant to bring attention to the need for Israel to exist weeks after the passage of a new Jewish state law, some criticize as being divisive, calling Israel, quote, the national home of Jewish people. Following heated debate, the legislation backed by Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu was approved on July 19th.
57 Muslim nations. In the Arab world, we have 22 Arab nations. In the Middle East, you have about 15 nations. Now, with all these independent nations, now you mean to tell me the Jewish people don't deserve one? Makes no sense.
If we all love world, peace and Palestinians' dignity, we must all support an independent and serve Jewish state of Israel. That's why I'm here today.
Sheikh Musa Drame from Parkchester, the organizer of the event held in Midtown, was joined by rabbis and imams alike who support the peaceful coexistence of Arabs and Jews within the nation that this year celebrates its 70th anniversary.
We're talking about how Muslims and Jews can engage more effectively around the idea of the state of Israel, and how we can find common ground and collaboration and hopefully ultimately peace.
Beginning with prayers and opening remarks, special speaker Dr. Omer Salem, an American Sunni Muslim and author of The Missing Piece and the newly released Seek the Peace of Jerusalem, gave a historical view on the land once a territory of the Ottoman Empire. He stressed that any decision on the future of the current-day Israel must include the input of religious leaders.
Muslims have a narrative about that state and how it came to exist. Jews have a conflicting narrative about that state and how it existed.
Bear our hearts to each other when we speak openly and lovingly as brother and sister religions, then we learn a lot and can actually become better in our own traditions.
The topic drew questions from some and a greater understanding for all that participated.
But what I think can come out of this is better understanding between the parties.
Now, this is their first meeting. There will be more. For more information, you can go to MuslimCommunityReport.com. For BronxNet, this is Arlene Makoko.